welcome back to Tech Brutal FX. I'm sorry I've not really been consistent for some time now, but we are back fully. All right. In today's video, we'll be looking at the concept of the head and shoulder, the double top and the double bottom concept. That's what we'll be looking at today. And I know you've been seeing it, probably you've been using it, not knowing how to use it appropriately. All right. Okay, today I'll be sharing with us a concept on how to use it. All right, this chart pattern is actually a pattern that tells you that price has tested either your resistance or your support zone 2 times and unable to break it. All right, that's what this chart pattern tells you. All right, right here, on the top here, you can see the top one and the top two. All right, and as you can see, we have something like a neck region. All right, I will illustrate it with a chart. Now this is how it looks like. This is the bottom one and bottom two. All these are support. The bottom is a support zone, while the top is what? The resistance zone. Okay, so for you to trade this, you must first of all find the next zone, and it's at the next zone that you enter your trade. You don't just enter the trade because you've seen a double bottom and you just jump into the trade. You enter the trade at the next zone. All right, now this concept helps you to know when the trend, either an intermediate trend or a long trend, is reversing. So once you see this reversal, that's why we always advise that you take your trade at the next zone. Once you see the reversal, you don't just enter the market, you wait for the next zone to have a confluence with a resistance zone. So let's look at it from our MT5. All right, this is our MT5 and this is crash 500. Okay, so if we were to trade this market, as you can see right here, we have a double top. As you can see, we have a double top. This is the first one and the second one. You see, the market was in an uptrend this way: lower, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Wanted to make another higher high, but it stopped. Then it now gave us a lower low around this next zone. So once you see this lower low around the next zone, this place, that's where you enter your trade. All right, so let's look out for other points. All right, let's look out for other points where we can find the double top pattern. All right, okay, we have another one here. Watch this. This is a higher high. This is where it started: a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now you can see this low now is changing to a resistance, a next zone, but we cannot enter it because there is no confirmation about it. So we wait, it goes back up. Now give you another one. This is another one and another one. We now have a complete neck. So if we want to trade the market, we enter this market at this zone. As you can see, that place is already forming a resistance a resistant a support zone, sorry. So we have this is it. This is a support zone. Now the support was now broken into becoming what? A resistance zone, which we now have this. We now have this. A touch, up, down, down, just like that. So that's how you trade the double top. Let's use another asset. Let's check another asset. Okay. Right. Let's try boom 1000. Okay. Right. Let's find some double tops in the 1000. Okay, let's look for double top in crash 1002. Let's look for double top. You know, crash is an uptrend market and boom is a downtrend market. All right, we can see one here already. So we have one already. You can see higher highs and all of this. See it forming. Okay, so you see it. So we can have our resistance zone here. As it didn't break it, resistance zone there. Then we have another, the neck region right here. This is our neck region. You can see a consolidation point, so it's now selling. Right, so with this I think you can be able to trade the double top pattern, and also make sure you try out, check it out, test it out, and back test very well. Master the skill. You can see another one right here. You can see another one right here. Master the skill before using it, please. Master it first before using it. All right, so you see it. So we can enter the market around here, then see it now give us this. All right, so master the art very well, and always make use of your stop losses and take profits. All right, thank you so much. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. All right.